Second pin. 1 reducer. That'll finish the second set. Then there are 4 more groups. We'll finish it together. Round 16 is alpha. Remove marker buckle. End of drawing. Pull the line to hook a standing pin. Lap 17 is made up of 6 groups. 1 short stitch and 1 reduced stitch. That's 12 stitches. We need to start hooking group 1. Hook the first short needle in the place of the draw. Marking buckle. 1 reducer. That'll finish the first set. Then take the second group, a short needle. 1 reducer. Pick the stitches and draw the other half. Regulating. That'll finish the second set. Then there are 4 more groups. We'll finish it together. Loop 17 is alpha. Remove marker buckle. End of drawing. Pull the thread tie and hook a standing pin. Let's stretch the line. Now we're going to start with the stuffing cotton. After the stuffing cotton, you can use a crochet hook to make it even. And then we'll do the last loop. Lap 18. The 18th circle is made up of 6 reduction pins. Let's hook the first reducer. You can hold a bit of hook. Marking buckle. Second reducer. There are also 4 reduction pins. Check it out, everybody. Round 18 is alpha. Remove marker buckle. Draw in the position of the marker buckle. tensioning. Then leave a piece of wire to seal. We cut the thread. Put on the needle. Seal this mouth. Been lined. You can tie a knot here. I'm gonna put the wire through a hole right here. And then cut off the thread. So the main part is finished. If it's not round enough, feel free to pinch it. Pinch it round. Now let's hook the needle part. The first lap is a sliding pin. Tie a short needle. Circle your finger twice. Pinch thread. Hook a standing pin. Start to hook the first short stitch. Put a marker on the first short pin here. Second pin. Always hook 8 short pins. 3、4、5、6、8. Let's pull this wire. See which wire is active, and then pull the thread tight. The cord tightens when you pull it. Pull this wire again. If it doesn't pull, take it off and pull it again. Then cut the thread. That'll finish the first lap. We take off the marker. Draw in the position of the marker buckle. Tension wire. And hook a standing pin. The second circle is made up of 8 pins. That's 16 stitches. Now we're going to draw the first stitch. Put the first pin on this part of the draw. Draw out the stitches to hook 2 short stitches in the same eye. The eye of the same needle. So this is the first addition we're in. First, there are 2 needles here now. We're here with the first stitch. Tag point. This is the first needle added. Now hook the second pin. Just 2 short stitches in the next eye. Right here in the eye of the same needle. This is the second injection. Add the third needle. 2 stitches in the same eye. Add the fourth needle. Fifth addition. There are 3 more additions. Hook it up, everybody. That's the end of the second loop. We take off the marker. Under the drawer here on the marker buckle. Tension wire. And hook a standing pin. The third circle is made up of 8 sets of 1 short stitch and 1 extra stitch. That's 24 shots in all. Now let's start with the hook. The first group. Hook the first short pin here on the drawer. Marking buckle. One plus pin. Adding a needle is 2 short needles in the eye of a needle. This is the first group. The second set is 1 short and 1 extra. This second group was followed by 6 more. Let's finish it.